Hi everyone. So welcome to ECS Academy. I'm Dheeraj and your mentor for all the branches almost, right? Not only GATE Electronics and Communication. So from now onwards, I'm going to start one very important previous year question series, okay, for GATE Electronics and Communication. Uh, and this series is going to help you understand how you have to approach future problems in the GATE upcoming GATE examinations, right? So I'm just going to start from 2024, GATE 2024 back to 1987, right? So whatever techniques and reactions and you can say the methods or strategy I'm going to, or you can say the approach I'm going to follow while solving the question, the same approach or same method you can replicate in upcoming GATE examination, okay? So needless to follow any lengthy approaches, okay? Let us utilize the concept that we have learned at ECS Academy, right? So this is for everyone, not only for those who have enrolled at ECS Academy. This is gonna be in public for everybody, so everybody can learn from these video capsules, right? So let us get started. So the very first question I have taken from GATE 2024. Okay, this was asked in signal and from the subject signal and system. So as we can go through the question here, so the question was 21 for 1 mark. So as it is for 1 marks, you should not take more than 20 to 30 second or 10 second also. So a causal and stable signal, a stable LTI system with the impulse response HT produces an output by T for the input signal xt. The signal now is getting, input signal is getting scaled by the alpha, or you can say 0.5 is applied to another causal and stable LTI system, okay, with impulse response, again it is also going to get scaled by same amount, that is alpha only. The resulting output is going to be what? So as we know that if we apply xt to the LTI system whose impulse response is h of t, right? So the output is nothing but what? Output is going to be the convolution of, you can say, xt convol ht, right? Okay. Now if we are going to apply, if you're going to scale it, right? If you're going to scale this guy, okay, if you're going to scale this guy by alpha, right? So it is scaled by alpha t. So you have to make sure that the impulse response must also get scaled by the same amount, okay? Okay, you should not scale it by different amount. That is very important to keep in mind, because we have seen in the classroom only, okay, this concept, okay, the scaling property of the LTS system. So this has also been scaled by the same amount. This is scaled by alpha, this is scaled by, so your output also going to get scaled by what? Your output is going to get scaled by, you know 1 by alpha and by of alpha t, right? So this will be the one extra factor that you have to include, okay, in the output. Okay, why we are including this? As we know that the area of output is going to be what? Area of output is going to be the product of the area of input and the area of impulse response, right? So 1 by alpha is going to adjust the area, that's it. Okay, so let us now take what alpha they have given here is. Alpha they have given was 0.5. So your output is going to be 0.5, 1 by 0.5 by 0.5 t, right? Okay, so you see here there is alpha, there is alpha, there is alpha. 1 by alpha only you have to take care, right? So 1 by 0.5 means 2 by of 0.5 t. So what is the option? The correct option is option A, right? So you see this question was very easy. In fact, you don't have to write anything during the GATE examination, okay? You don't have to write anything in the exam. You have to just read the question. While reading the question itself, at least you can mentally calculate 1 by 0.5 is what? 1 by 0.5 is nothing but, 2 only, because 0.5 is 2, 1 by 2. So 1 upon 1 by 2 is nothing but 2 goes up, right? And one important condition here is if you are scaling xt by alpha, so impulse response also has to be scaled by same amount, that is alpha only. So therefore your output will get scaled by the same amount alpha, but one extra factor will be there, that is 1 by one multiplication factor, you can say, with the output, that is 1 by alpha mod of alpha. Okay, that is very important concept. So if you are going to scale input by alpha and your impulse response is going to get scaled by different amount beta, then it will be very, very difficult to find out what will be the scaling factor for output, right? How you're how your output is going to get influenced by these scalings, right? So when we apply scaling property, remember this: if input is getting scaled by alpha, so your impulse response has to be scaled by the same amount alpha only. Therefore your output is going to get scaled by time scaling will be alpha, but your amplitude also is going to get scaled by 1 by alpha, okay, mod of alpha, right? So hopefully this solution is clear, right? So in order to get all the question solution, you have to keep following this YouTube channel, and I'm promising to all GATE aspirant, those who are preparing for GATE, in electronics and communication, I'm just going to give all the solution from 2024 to back then 1987. So keep learning. We'll meet in the next video session. Thank you.